What's up YouTube, welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy and that's the Logitech Z5500, and I'm going to show you how to boost the volume level of this thing. As you can see, that's the volume. It's written here only volume. So this thing goes to plus 11. So for doing that, you just need to rotate it. And keep rotating it. You can see that's a boost 11. That's how you can boost the Logitech Z550. Now another way you can do is press the mute button and then rotate the volume. Here you can see plus 11, and you can reduce that and you can increase that just like this. Very simple. Now another thing is, that's the one screen. You can see that's the volume level, and that's the subwoofer, surround, all this thing, the display like that. There is another screen 2. So how to turn that on? Here you can see that's the blue light, and when you turn this off, that's a red light. Now to turn the second screen on, you need to press the input effect, settings and mute at the same time for a few seconds. Watch it carefully. 3 of them and the mute. Total 4 of them, 4 of the buttons except the level. Now you can see the second screen is on, and that power button light became purple from red. Now let's turn this on, and here you can see things have changed. The stereo became analog, and now when you increase the volume, here you can see from very thin line to big line, just like that. And all the levels, subwoofer there, box kind of marked, surround, center. So that's it. That's how you can turn on the second screen. And you can turn off the second screen just like the same way. Turn off the control pod and press those buttons at the same time for a few seconds, and second screen is off, just like that. So these two are the simple hacks for Logitech Z550. That's it. That's all for today. Bye bye.